In the North Bay, the powerful storms and surging floodwater claimed the lives of 2 men. The Sonoma County Sheriff's Office says 1 man died while trying to drive through water that was about 6 feet deep.
And another man was found dead in the Santa Rosa Creek. Now, as the storm and flooding eases, we're looking at the aftermath left behind.
Yeah, and ABC 7 News reporter Suzanne Fawn is live in Guerneville tonight with the very latest there. Suzanne?
Dan, Kristen, it rains and it floods so much here in Guerneville that the owner of this business here has marked the water levels on this post. Now, for your point of reference, I am about 5 feet, and here in 2017, there was so much water here that it got to above me. People who live and work around here say it floods, and every time it floods, it creates a major mess.
It was really bad. I mean, this entire area was flooded.
Russell Rodkamp works at the Hotbox food truck here off Highway 116 and Neely Road in Guerneville.
This is our first day back.
The relentless rain for 3 days last week caused the Russian River to flood in spots that sent surging floodwaters towards homes and businesses.
So the water came up to about here.
Rodkamp says 3 feet of water flowed through the doors of this game room at Pee Wee Golf and Arcade.
It's luckily there wasn't a lot of mud.
Now everything needs to be power washed, including the miniature golf course here.
So he is power washing everything right now to clean up all the debris and, mud and silt that came from the river.
Sonoma County Sheriff's Department says a man died after he drove his car into flooded Mays Canyon Road in Guerneville. Authorities say the water was about 6 feet deep.
Saturday around 11:30, a call came in from a person who saw a car bobbing in the water. And
that incident happened right next to the miniature golfing place that Tim Bosk owns.
It's about 150 yards down the way. I saw the helicopters and the fire trucks heading out there. Yeah.
Authorities in Santa Rosa say on Saturday, another man was found dead in Piner Creek by a popular hiking trail. People in the area say that creek rose at least 6 feet after record rainfall. A reminder today from law enforcement.
Our message to the public is always turn around, don't drown. It's not worth your life. You can't tell how deep it is. It's hard to tell if there's a current. You don't even know the surfacing underneath.
And tonight, here's another look at this marker with the floodwater levels. Check that out. The very top marker, 1986. Apparently, that's how high the water got, 17 feet deep. Now, tonight, we still don't know the names of the 2 individuals who died in the Sonoma County floodwaters. We're live in Guerneville. Suzanne Fawn, ABC 7 News.